Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to introduce a really good brand of skincare which really worked on my skin, and literally I can tell you that this brand really worked within one day and I saw the results. And yes, it's none other than La Roche-Posay, which is a brilliant brand, and it really improved my skin condition within one day. By the way, you can receive a £10 or €10 or $10 discount on your whole purchase of La Roche-Posay from my side. You can go to the link I provided at the description box or the first comment, place your order and receive your discount. The first product I'm going to introduce is the cleansing toner. Once you washed your face and it's clean, you can just use toner to cleanse an extra dirt which remain on the surface of your skin, and you'll be amazed how much dirt you will remove it from this toner even after washing off your skin. One extra thing I want to tell you is that next I'm using this cream, which is the post repair treatment cream for any scar from the surgery or wound or anything that you have on any part of your body. This is a very miraculous cream which you can apply it. It has SPF 50 and it really removes any scar, sunburn or mark from any part of your skin, which I'm using it for my surgery that I have for my thyroid, and it's really amazing. I'll leave the link of this cream also in the description or the first comment. Back to the La Roche-Posay, the next thing I'm using for my face in the day is Niacinamide serum from La Roche-Posay, which if you like to get your bright tone of skin back and remove all the dark spot from your face, you can use this product and then you will get your real skin tone back. I use this serum as my daily routine every morning. Then I go ahead and use the latest technology moisturizer cream from La Roche-Posay, which is amazing if you've got flaky skin, dry skin, and within one day you will see the changes which this cream will bring onto your face. Also, I use this cream in the night time whenever I'm using my retinoid cream. Then I use this cream on the top of my retinoid cream to prevent my face from looking flaky in the morning. And of course, to finish up all your skincare routine, as you know, in the daytime, you need to use a good sunblock cream, which in this case I'm using the organic ethical zinc SPF 50 sunblock cream, which is amazing, and I've been using this cream for a while now. And the amazing thing about this cream is that even though the ingredients is zinc oxide, but it doesn't give you any white cast on your face. I will link this product also at the description and the first comment of this video. Now let's go ahead and put some makeup to feel good, and I'm gonna introduce all the best product that I use for my makeup, which everybody can afford. For the foundation, I'm using Airbrush Flawless from Charlotte Tilbury, which is amazing. Just one pump is enough to give the perfect coverage all over your skin. So that's why this cream is gonna last a long time for you. The thing about this cream is that when you apply it first onto your face, it looks that this is not really your shade and it's too white for you. But after a few minutes, you will see that this cream will be oxidized and it will take the tone of your skin onto itself, and it will look really amazing. And it stays for a long time. For my brows, I'm using the amazing Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel. I have been using a lot of products for my eyebrow, and honestly I can tell you this one is the best. For the inner of my eyes, I'm using L'Oreal eye gel, which is really black if you're looking for something that is really black, and it does not move a bit during the whole day that I'm wearing it, and it just stays right in where I applied it. I'm using this for years now and I'm really happy with this one. For my cheeks, I'm using Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury, which got also viral in TikTok. It's shimmery, so beautiful on the cheeks and natural. And really, when you're applying this one, it's just taking your face to the whole new level and gives you extra glamour. For the lips also, I'm using the matte lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a mixture of the red and purple color and it is called Amazing Amount in case you wanted to order it. I have linked all the product and makeup I just introduced you at the first comment and the description box of the video. Let's go and do our hair. If you are looking for a blow dry which is fast and quick and easy to use and it's a really reasonable price, I can introduce this blow dry from BaByliss, which I'm using for years now and I'm really happy, and it does my hair in just few minutes. I will link down this product as well for you guys if you're looking for something like that. By the way, I have to tell you that I am using again the plant-based hair color, which is really bringing back my hair to life again. As you know, my hair was burned down because I put the wrong hair color on my hair and I had to go and bleach it, which caused my hair to get dry and burn, and I had to go ahead and cut it, and I just ended up with a really frizzy and dry hair. And I started again putting my natural plant-based hair color and my hair again is coming back to life, getting more shiny as you can see and also silky, and the growth also has been stimulated. I can feel the growth has been accelerated. It's an amazing hair color without any chemicals in it. It's just plant powders and you can just mix it with water and apply it to your hair, and that's it. It's a one-time application, permanent color, and it gives 100% cover for the gray hairs. So you can just go and buy this product also from my Etsy shop. I will put the link down for you guys if you're looking for plant-based and natural hair color. Well, I've done my makeup and skincare routine. I feel so good and ready to go ahead and have an amazing day. I wish you guys also an amazing day, and until the next videos, take care.